Hello all, my name is Uma Mahesh. I'm working as a software engineer for a company called as Persistent Systems Private Limited. And I'm also a life coach and an author of a best-selling book called as Think Differently to be happy anywhere, anytime. When it comes to my spiritual journey, I came to know about meditation somewhere between 1995, that is in January, when I was doing my BTech first year. Somehow I heard one of my cousin, whose name is Madhu, forcibly took me one day to a pyramid nearby our house, that is Buddha Pyramid in Kurnool. Normally, I never used to believe any spirituality or Babas, anything else. I used to do yoga, I used to do many asanas, but still I was not getting required results as much as I was expecting. Because of which I was not believing whatever he was saying many days, and when he has taken me to a pyramid and he was asking me to close eyes and observe a bit, I was not at all believing, and I was internally scolding him. I was not observing the breath, whatever he has said. He has asked me to sit in meditation for 15 minutes, and he said that he will say okay after 15 minutes. But for all the time, whatever I sat in meditation, I was not at all observing the breath. And I have tried to do meditation by scolding multiple times, because I don't believe all these things. I was thinking that it is wastage of time, wastage of because I'm already into failure, and again I was thinking that this will create some more failure. So I was not at all saying yes to okay or to open my eyes, but forcibly after some time I opened my eyes and I observed that already 2 hours over. That means he was saying for 15 minutes, but I sat for 2 hours, and he had not told me to open my eyes. And once I opened my eyes, I has scolded him because he was disturbing me. He has wasted my time for 2 hours. And when I was from there, I started to go to my home. When I was going my home, I could see the change, the silence in my inner self. Before that, I was struggling with a lot of turbulence in me. I was unable to focus on my studies. I was unable to read properly. I was unable to grasp anything. Now, even if I did meditation without interest, only very few times I observed breathe out of 2 hours. Even if I done meditation forcibly, once I go home and when I opened my books, that is engineering books, I was able to grasp whatever I read during that time. Then I understood, if I have done this meditation forcibly, and even if I have done it forcibly, it is giving me a good grasping power and good silence in me. And if I do that meditation relaxedly, out of interest, it may give more result. That is what I thought. Then I started doing meditation daily. After practicing daily, that is meditation, for almost 2 to 3 months, I could completely come out of all my problems, all my concentration problem, all my health issues, all my grasping power issues. So I could become again better and best in my studies. Then I felt that this is the right way to rebuild myself. And I understood that spirituality is the way. I was before that I was thinking that spirituality is a kind of ritual or believing some God and all. Now after coming to meditation, after coming to Patriji, later on I met Patriji, who is Brahmarshi Patriji, our guru of meditation, founder of Pyramid Spiritual Societies. I understood that one of the most important sentence I understood out of him, that is, you create your own reality. Before that, I was under assumption that if I get any success, if I get good marks, if I am having good health, that is because of me. If I get any failure, I used to think that because of the lecturers I got failed in a particular subject, or I got less marks in a particular subject. If I get any health issues, I was under assumption that this is because of some bacteria and all the things. Then later on, once I met Patriji, I understood one most important point, that is called as you create your own reality. That means I can create my reality. I am creating consciously or unconsciously. I am choosing all my whatever my life. I am creating all my life out of my choice, out of my thoughts. Then I understood the science of creation. He has suggested me some books, Seth books, Vivekshwar Rajneesh books, and many wonderful masters. He has introduced me to many wonderful masters. Based on his guidance, I went through all the books. I started understanding what is the science of creating the life. Till date, unconsciously I was creating. Some of the things consciously I was creating, because of which life was very much into mess. So now I started creating my life consciously. Consciously I started looking towards myself, what I am, where I want to reach, what are my thoughts, what are my words, what are my actions. I have started transforming my thoughts, my words, my actions towards where I want to reach. Based on that, I could become the master of my reality. So the major change after coming to meditation I got is I started creating life by choice. Before that, I used to live by chance. Now by choice, whatever the choice I have taken, whatever the things I want to create, I started creating whatever in my life. Now the essence of spirituality, what I understood is spirituality, as per my understanding out of these 24 years of journey, I understood that spirituality is a science of life. It is not the science to live the life, it is science to live the better life, best possible, that too relaxedly, happily, effortlessly. So anybody want to live the life, they have to learn the science of life. Normally, if we take a car, we'll know the science of driving. Only then you will be able to drive the car properly and you will be able to reach the destination properly. So now what I understood is, if you learn the science of life, that is spirituality, you will be able to reach your destination, your goals, your whatever you want to desire. You have desires, all that you will be able to create. So I request everybody in the whole world to learn the science of life, that is spirituality, and the science of energy. Science of energy is meditation. If you want to create your life, you need enough energy and you need enough knowledge. Right knowledge and enough energy is equal to whatever the life you want. So I request everybody to uplift your energy levels by practicing more on meditation, at least half an hour to 45 minutes per day, and uplift your knowledge, that is your wisdom of creation of life, that is by reading right books like Seth books, Osho Rajneesh books, Ramtha books, Van Dyer books, Deepak Chopra books, Patriji books. There are n number of wonderful books available in the whole world. So choose the right books, go through the books, and meet the right people also. When you meet the right people, do the Sajjana Sangatya, what will happen is, you will be able to understand that whatever you have read is reality. It is not something theory, it is practical. That is what you understood when you meet some right people, that is Sajjana Sangatya. So if you meet them, you will be able to understand that you can also do like that. When somebody can do it, somebody can achieve it, you can also achieve it. When somebody can practically uplift themselves, you can also achieve. That is what the confidence you will get. So by meeting right people, if you do the Sajjana Sangatya, your confidence level will be uplifted, you will be inspired by the right people. So I request everybody to do meditation, to read the right books, and to meet the right people, that is do Sajjana Sangatya, and uplift yourself. By practicing meditation regularly, you will be able to uncover your true self. You are actually an infinite self, but that has been covered by all unnecessary things, all unnecessary dust because of the world. Now, by practicing meditation regularly, you will uncover your true self. You will be able to more and more happy. You will be able to more strong. You will be able to be confident at all the time. By practicing more and more meditation, you will have more self-confidence. By practicing more and more meditation, you will be able to uplift or activate your inner wisdom. You will be able to receive the right thoughts from the higher level thoughts. There are a number of levels of thoughts in the world, in the universe. If you have more energy, if you have uplifted your inner self, you will be able to receive the right thoughts, higher level thoughts, positive thoughts, or miraculous thoughts. If you don't have enough energy, if you are at lower level, you will be receiving lower level thoughts. If you are at higher level from inside, you will be able to receive higher thoughts, because of which naturally, automatically, effortlessly, you will be uplifted and your life will also be uplifted. Thank you.